Okay, I'm bench bleeding the master cylinder. Basically, it's already been done, just to show you what I've been doing. So what you do is, I'm using a Phillips. I wouldn't use anything too sharp. This is not sharp, and you have to put it right in the dimple in the middle. Do not touch the sides of the cylinder. And this is where you push in. Use the Dorman fittings. You have to actually put them on pretty tight so they don't leak. Bought some clear tube because I didn't like the black tube that came with the kit. This is what I bought. Is it focusing in there? There it is. It's 10 feet. And the inside diameter is 0.17. And that fit into the fitting perfectly into the fittings that came into the Dorman brake master cylinder bleeder kit. The trickiest part is trying to find the fittings that'll fit into these ones because they're actually both different sizes. Already filled it up with fresh fluid. So I have this, one of the ears clamped on my workbench, and I'm going to hold one end of it, put it in the dimple, and slowly push till I don't see any more air bubbles coming out of the blue fittings. Like I said, I've already done this a few times, and all the bubbles, it took about 5 minutes because I actually flushed out the old fluid that was in here. Still got to clean this all up. And you just keep pushing it, pumping it slowly till you don't see any more air bubbles. And it's a good idea to let it sit for a little while and let the air bubbles work its way up and empty it into the case. And I just got to make sure that these are buried into the fluid, so you need enough fluid in here and those ends of the tubes buried beyond fluid so it doesn't suck back up air when you release on the piston.